Hello guys, in this video I will show you on how to log in to the computer and create new directories. So turn our computer. After our Linux system has loaded, switch to a command line terminal TTY2 by pressing Ctrl plus Alternate plus F2 and log in to the terminal using the username of root and the password of secret. So we type root underscore, here is my username root. Okay, we put the password. Okay, as you can see, it's already changed to TTY2. Okay, at the command prompt, we type ls -f and press enter. So that is the contents of our home folder. And then we type mkdir my samples and we press enter. Okay, my samples and we press enter. Then we type ls -f and press enter. So this is the contents of the files and subdirectories are there. And then we type cd my samples and we press enter. And then we type ls -f and press enter. So the content of subdirectory samples are none. And then at the command prompt we type mkdir under my samples and we press enter. Okay, next we type ls -f at the command prompt and we press enter. So that are the contents of our directory my samples. Then we type mkdir to delete and we press enter. Next, type ls -f at the command prompt and press enter. And next, we type cd space dot and we press enter. Okay, next we type ls -r and we press enter. Okay, then we type cd space dot and we press enter. And we type pwd and we press enter. And so that is the current of our directory. And then we type mkdir okay. So that we type mkdir space for user1 and we press enter. Okay, you can see that it's already said that this permission is denied. Okay, the subdirectory we just created are not appear in display. So we type and then we type exit and press enter to log from our shell.
Alright, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Linux tutorial, especially on the cp command. The function of cp command is to copy files. So let's go. First of all, must log in. This would be my login ID. Okay, there you go, you are in. After this you have to log in as root. To do that you have to type su, then type the password again. That's it. So root at localhost group 1, that would be my ID. Then let's go. First we need to check what files do we have. As you can see, I have my samples, sample 1, sample 2 and sample 3. My samples is directory, right? So let's go. Cp is the command to copy files. Alright, so missing destination file, because there's no destination after sample 1, there should be destination here. We want to copy sample 1 file to destination. As what name? There's no destination, so we would do like this. We should do like this. Okay, so cp done. Let's check. 1a is there, so it is complete. Alright, so next one. So what are we trying to do here is we are going to copy sample 1 file into this directory with this name. So in my samples, this file would be inside this. Okay, then let's press enter, and then I need to press ls-f. As you can see, sample 1, sample 1a, 2 and 3. So this file would be inside my samples, not here. Alright, so let's go inside my samples, click enter, and then to check, click this, and there you go, sample 1b. Alright, so done with that. Alright, so for the next one, we are going to copy sample 1b to the main folder, main file. Right, so done with that. Press cd dot dot to go to the root, the main page, and then let's type f. Now what can you expect is to see this file over here. Yes, you can see sample 1b. Right, so let me just clear this to make it much more beautiful. Alright, so after that, let's do this. Alright, what I'm trying to do now is I'm going to copy sample 1, sample 2 and sample 3 to my samples. Okay, so my samples is the destination. Press enter. Right, then cd my samples. You are inside the file, and let's check. So sample 1, sample 2, sample 3 done. So it's a success. Okay, there's 4 files. Okay, right, for the next part, cd dot dot to go to the main folder root. So now we are going to copy cp my samples. We are going to create another file from this my samples. Alright, we got an error message saying that omitting directory my samples. It is basically asking for confirmation. So for this we need to do this. Alright, we need to type -r my samples 2. After that, press enter, and then ls -f. Yep, so my samples 2. So were the contents of my samples copied to my samples 2? Of course I would say yes. Let's see. Okay, so you can see inside my samples 2 there's 4 files exactly the same as my samples. Okay guys, so that's it. Before we end the video, don't forget to exit from the root and another exit to exit from the system. Alright guys, so that's it.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you on how to use the mv command to rename files and directories. Okay, first we type ls -f and we press enter. So this is the contents of our home folder, and then at the command prompt we type mv sample1 and we press sample1 and we press enter. So this is the error message that is displayed. Okay, then we type mv sample1 sample4 and we press enter, and then we put the command ls -f and we press enter. So we can see the sample1 is already changed to sample4. Okay, then we type okay, we type mv sample for my samples, then we press enter. Okay, we press enter, we type ls -f at the command prompt and press enter. So where did sample4 go? Okay, that's the only file that Indian names are there. So we type cd my samples, then we press enter, and then we type ls -f and we press enter. Okay, notice that the sample4 moved in here. Okay, next we type mv sample4 and sample4 ... and we press enter, and then we type ls -f and press enter. Okay, and then we type cd space ... and we press enter, and then we type ls -f and we press enter to view the new location of sample4. So here. Okay, then we type mv okay, next we type mv sample4 space sorry, oops, sorry. Okay, so sample4 we have to make it space. Okay, alright, and then okay, it's already perfect. So next we press enter, and that message appear on the screen in Y. So we type Y and we press enter to confirm we want to overwrite the file in the destination folder. Okay, next we type mv sample. Alright, okay, my samples and we press enter. And then we type Y and press enter to confirm we want to overwrite the file sample 3 in the destination folder. Okay, we type Y. Okay, and we press enter. And then we type ls -f and we press enter. So this is the files. Alright, and then we type mv samples 1 mv samples 1 shift star. Okay, and then my samples, and we press enter. So it shows that using destination for operator samples. Okay. So we type direct mv sample 1b shift star my samples, and we press enter, or it's the same. So we change there's a type we type mv sample and we press enter to and insert Y to confirm we want to overwrite sample 1b into the destination directory. Next, we type ls -f and we press enter. So notice that there are no sample files in the root directory. So at the command prompt we type cd my samples and we press enter, and then type ls -f and we press enter. Notice that all files originally in root have been moved to this directory. Alright, and then we type we type cd space dot and we press enter, and then we type ls -f and we press enter. Next we type mv samples okay, and we press enter. Next time we type that. So we type exit and press enter to log out from our shell.
Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make and view links between files and directories using Linux. Okay, so first of all you need to log in. This would be my ID, group 1. Okay, done. So group 1, after that we have to log in as root. Okay, done. Root, let's go. First of all we need to enter. Okay, first of all I would enter this, my samples, and then press ls-f to check the files. I have sample 1, sample 1b, sample 2 and sample 3. Next I will type ls-l. Okay, so you can see here we have the links. What is the link count for file sample 1? It is 1 link count for sample 1. Right, so next let's make and view links. Let me remind you that we are now using the hard link. Okay, so as you can see, hard link, we are using the hard link. Then press ls minus f again, hard link sample 1, and the rest of them. Alright, the question is, does anything in the terminal output shows that sample 1 and hard link sample are hard linked? The answer would be no. There's no indication that they are linked. Okay, next, ls minus 1. The same questions, is there any indications whether hard link sample and sample 1 are hard linked? The answer is yes, because as you can see, the link count is 2 for sample 1, 2 for hard link. If you can see here, it is just 1 before this. Now it is 2, which means sample 1 has 2 link counts, one to sample 1, another one to hard link. Alright, so next is type this, and then we want to compare the inode number for hard link and also sample 1. So let's check 840, 840, 9160, 9160. So it is the same inode number. It is the same inode number. So these two files are actually hard linked together. Okay. Alright, so done with that. Let's go to the next one. So the same thing, ln sample 1 hard link sample 2. Right, so press enter. Let me clear this for a while. Okay. Alright, then lsl. Okay, so what is the link count for this file, and this file? The answer is 3. As you can see now, it has become 3. Right, why? Because it has 3 link counts to these two files. Okay, sample 1 has 1 link here, 1 link here, that makes 1 here, that makes 3. Same goes with these two files. Okay, done with that. Let's go to the vi sample 1, and we've entered this vi editor, so you can type anything, no problem. Okay, type anything you want. Alright, once you have done, what you need to do is just type this Alright, so type this W and Q. Okay, that's it. So you have successfully saved the file. Simple as that, guys. Alright, now we have quit the VI editor. Let's go to the next one. Let me clear this. Done. Let's go cat sample 1. Okay, so you can see hello, hi, hard link. Right, now let's see cat hard link sample. Sorry. Alright, so let's do that again. Cat hard link sample. Okay, cat hard link sample, press enter. Hello, hi, hard link. As you can see, the same message. Alright, let's try this. There's another folder. It should be this hard sample 2 and the same folder, guys. Okay, next we would move on to the soft link or the symbolical link. Okay guys, so I hope you can do this. Now we are going to the symbolically linked minus s sample2 sim link sample. Press enter, type ls minus f. You can see this is actually in a different color here. It's different from the rest of the file. As you can see, any indication whether this file and this file are symbolically linked? No, there's no indication, right? So next, type this. Okay guys, so we have done that. As you can see here, symlink pointing to sample2, which means symlink points to sample2. This is the original file, this is the origin, this is the file that contains the data. So symlink merely points back to the origin. Okay, you can see here one link, sample2, one link. Okay, so let's go to this. Alright, so again, one link count, sample2, one link count. If you look at the inode number, it is not the same, 64, 67. So the inode number is not the same, guys. So do the two symbolically linked files have the same inode number? No, the answer is no. So next we would enter the VI editor again. VI sample link, press enter. Okay, so hello, so symlink. Alright, then WQ. That's it. So let me clear this. Okay. So ls minus l. Okay, you can see here this is link. Okay, l over here, l. What is the size of the symlink file? The size. Next we would use cat. Alright, so you see here, hello symlink. Okay, what are the contents? Why? Because we just now we have typed in the VI editor, so hello symlink. Alright, okay, so follow this command and press enter. Next, ls f. Then press cdnet script. Okay, there's no such file. So the question, what is your current directory? This would be your current directory. My samples is your current directory. Okay, for the last one, okay, so this is the link. Alright, so you can see here. Alright, okay guys, so that's it. That is about hard link and also symbolically link. Thank you guys. Don't forget to press exit and also another exit. That's it guys, so thank you. Okay guys, hello, hi, how are you? Today we're going to learn about Linux commands, especially on find files in file system using find, locate and which commands. Okay, so first of all, open your CentOS and then make sure you're logged in. Put your ID and password. Next, we must be logged in as root. To do that, type su and then password. Okay, done. So first of all, we need to create a new file. So create new file and then locate new file. So you see here, locate command not found. So don't be surprised, guys. Don't be scared. This is because sometimes when the database is not updated, locate command cannot find the file. Okay, so simply just type update and then the system will update and you can find the file. Okay, so it should work on yours now, right? So next one, we'll go to find command. So here we're using find command. This is the category here. We are using name, we are searching, we are finding using name of the file and the name is new file. Press enter. Notice that it takes a bit time. Okay, it takes time to find this file and its location, right? It is not that quick. So next we would use alright, so as you can see the difference, is it gives you the file straight away. This is much more quick, but it does not give the file location. Okay guys, so I hope you can follow that. You can also do this. Okay, you can use find root /root. Okay, so for the next command we would use which new file. Okay, so you can see here it gives the location. Did the which command find the file? Yes, it did find the file. Right, so next would be echo path. Okay, so as you can see, /root is not listed here, but the /bin is here. /bin is here. Okay, alright, for the next command, which we are using which. Did the which file find the file? No. Okay, it did not, because it is a which command. Alright, so next up we would use find command. Okay, so this is for find command using other names. Alright guys, so this command is to find files using the size. Okay, this is to find the size. Let me clear this. Alright, this is much easier. Okay, so this command is to find files using the size. So the size that we are looking for is 0. So these are the files for size 0. Alright, you can use this command for more details from the files. Since this is 0, so there's no details. So that's it, guys, about how to use find, which, and locate. Don't forget to click exit, press exit, exit again to quit. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you on how to delete files and directories using the rmdir and rm commands. So first of all, we have to switch to a command line terminal T2Y2 by pressing Ctrl plus Alternate plus F2 and log into the terminal using the username of root and the password of secret. Okay, first of all, we have to type cd samples and press enter at the command prompt. Okay, and then type ls negative r and plus enter. So if you can see on the video, it will show the two empty directories, and then we have to type rmdir under my samples to delete, and we press enter. Okay, if you can see, there's no such file or directory, so we type rm sample1 shift star and we press enter. Okay, that was message is displayed and answer y, and we press enter, and then we type rm space negative f sample1 shift star and we press enter. Okay, and then we type ls negative f at the command prompt. Okay, we type ls negative f and we press enter, and all three files are deleted successfully. Okay, now we type cd, where's the keyword? Alright, we type we type cd dot and we press enter. Next we type rmdir samples. Okay, samples by the command prompt and we press enter. Okay, next we type, okay, it shows that we failed to remove the samples, so we type rm space negative rf samples and we press enter. Okay, we press enter, and then we type ls negative f at the command prompt and press enter. So the samples directory and all the files within deleted successfully, and we type exit. Okay, we type we type exit and press enter to log out from our shell.
Project 4.7. In this video, I will show you on how to apply and modify access permission on file and directories and test their effect. First of all, Before we log in into our shell, we have to switch to a command line terminal tty2 by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus F2 and log into the terminal using the username of root and password of secret. If you can see on the screen, tty1 already switched to tty2. At the command prompt, type touch per sample and press enter. Next, type chmod 777 perm sample at the command prompt and press enter. At the command prompt, type -L and press enter. Who have permission to this file? Read, write, read, write, and read. Next, at the command prompt, type chmod 000 perm sample and press enter. Next, type -L at the command prompt and press enter. Who has permission to this file? 0. At the command prompt, type rm-f perm sample and press enter. Were you able to delete this file? Yes. Why? Because this file is not in this. At the command prompt, type cd/ and press enter. Next, type pwd at the command prompt and press enter. Type -F at the command prompt and press enter. What directories do you see? I can see bin, dev, home, lib, mnt, pro, run, srv, tmp, boot, etc, lib, media, ept, root, sbin, sys, and usr. Next, at the command prompt, type -L and press enter to view the owner, group owner, and permission on the Further1 directory created. Who is the owner and group owner? In which category would you be placed? User, group user. What permission do you have in this category? Read, write, execute, 3 of them. Next, at the command prompt, type cd/foruser1 and press enter to foruser directory. Next, type ls-f at the command prompt and press enter. Are there any files in the directory? Yes, there are 5. Next, type cp/etc/host at the command prompt and press enter. Next, type ls-f at the command prompt and press enter to ensure that a copy of the host file was made in your current directory. Switch back to your previous command line terminal TTY3 by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus F3 and log in to the terminal using the username of user1 and the password of secret. As you can see, TTY2 already changed to TTY3. At the command prompt, type cd/foruser1 and press enter. Next, type rm-f host at the command prompt and press enter. Next, switch back to your previous command line terminal TTY2 by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus F2. Note that you are logged in as the root user on this terminal. At the command prompt, type chmod o plus w/foruser1 and press enter. Were you able to change the permission on the foruser directory successful? No. Operation not permitted. Switch back to your previous command line terminal TTY3 by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus F3. This is TTY3. At the command prompt, type cd/foruser1 and press enter. Next, type rm-f host at the command prompt and press enter. Were you successful now? No. Command not found. Yes, I'm successful. Switch back to your previous command line terminal TTY2 by pressing Ctrl plus ALT plus F2. At the command prompt, type cd/Forza1 and press enter to enter the Forza1 directory. Type cp/etc/host at the command prompt and press enter to place another copy of the host file in your current directory. At the command prompt, type ls-l and press enter. Who is the owner and group owner of this file? If you were logged in as the user one, in which category would you be placed? User, group, other. What permission do you have in this category? Read, write, read, write, and execute. Next, switch back to your previous command line terminal TTY3 by pressing Ctrl plus ALT plus F3. At the command prompt, type cd/Forza1 and press enter to enter the Forza1 directory. Type cat host at the command prompt and press enter. Were you successful? No, no such file or directory. Next, type vihost at the command prompt to open the host file in the vi editor. Switch back to your previous command line terminal TTY2 by pressing Ctrl plus ALT plus F2. At the command prompt, type chmod o plus w/Forza1/host and press enter. Switch back to your previous command line terminal TTY3 by pressing Ctrl plus ALT plus F3. At the command prompt, type cd/Forza1 and press enter to enter the Forza1 directory. Type vihost at the command prompt to open the host file in the vi editor. At the command prompt, type ls-l and press enter. Do you have permission to execute the host file? Yes. Next, type ls-l/bin at the command prompt and press enter. Note how many of these files to which you have execute permission. Next, type file/bin/star at the command prompt and press enter to view the file type of the file in the bin directory. Next, type exit and press enter to log out of your shell. Switch back to your previous command line terminal TTY2 by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus F2. Type exit and press enter to log out of your shell. Project 4.8. In this video, we will view and manipulate the default directory permission using the umask variable. First, we need to switch to a command line TTY3 by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus F3 and log into the terminal using the username of user1 and the password of secret. As you can see, the screen have changed to TTY3. Next, at the command prompt, type ls-l and press enter. What file do you see? 0. At the command prompt, type umask and press enter. What the default umask variable? 0002. At the command prompt, type --utest1 and press enter. Next, type ls-l at the command prompt and press enter. What are permissions on the utest file? The permission is read, write, and read. Create a new directory by typing the command mkdir-udir1 at the command prompt and pressing enter. Next, type ls-l at the command prompt and press enter. What are the permissions on the udir1 directory? Read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, and execute. Next, at the command prompt, type umask 007 and press enter. Next, type umask at the command prompt and press enter to verify that your umask variable has been changed to 007. At the command prompt, type /utest2 and press enter. Next, type ls-l at the command prompt and press enter. What are the permissions on the utest2 file? utest2 file. Read, write, read, write. Create a new directory by typing the command mkdir-udir2 at the command prompt and pressing enter. Next, type ls-l at the command prompt and press enter. What are the permissions on the udir1 directory? The permission is read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, and execute. The last step is type exit and press enter to log out of your shell. Thank you.
Greetings and good day everyone. For today, we will see and change file directory ownership by using chow and chgrp commands. For that, we should open our VirtualBox first of all and log into localhost as usual with our user ID and password. So here we should enter our group, our user ID followed by our password. Enter. Okay. Then we should open. Then we should shift our command line to terminal TTY3. For that, we should press Ctrl Alt and followed by F3. Okay, it will ask us to log in again. So we log in again. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we are in localhost. For view and change file, we should use our username of root and password of secret. For that, we should change it to root followed by password. Okay. Okay, here we can see that we are changed to root. Okay, after this, follow next steps. Dash owner sample and give an enter, followed by mkdir owner dir and press enter. Okay, so here it shows that cannot create directory owner dir file exist. Okay, after that we should ls negative l enter. Okay, here we can see that we got honor dear, honor sample, special live, and here the one we wants to create honor dear is here. Okay, then followed by as well as change group owns owner the oh sorry, change group as well as owner with, then we should follow it by owner enter. Then followed by root dot root dot owner and give an enter. Okay, after that should follow with owner sample owner dir enter ls negative l r enter. So it's changed here, and yeah, here also changed. Okay, it's good. It's from root to this form owner dir form. After that you should after that we should show negative capital R user one things to owner dir. Okay, now as usual ls negative R and give an enter. So after that Yeah, here is its owner sample, owner dir change to owner sample, then root here. Here we should press remove. Now we can remove rf owner dir and give an enter. Okay. Okay, after that we should exit